Hello beautiful! Today I'm going to be installing Sensationnel Curls Kinks & Co. texture clip-ins in the style Game Changer. Now these clip-ins are available at Sam's Beauty right now for less than $25, and each pack comes with 9 pieces. So you get one piece that's a 9-inch welt, and then you get 2 that's 7-inch welt, 4 that are 5-inch welt, and 2 that are 3-inch welts. Be sure to check out the description box down below. I will have Sam's Beauty information linked. I'm starting off with a small section at the top that actually gets a little wider in the middle, and my hair is flat twisted in the back with the ends tucked away with bobby pins. I'm going to create 2 flat twists with this section, so I'm going to make a diagonal part down the middle. I'm taking Unjackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel to smooth my hair. Then I begin to twist, making sure I'm taking small, even pieces while smoothing the hair as I twist. My favorite Eco Styler gel to lay my edges. Now flat twists are a great option to blend your hair with the curly clip-ins. I have 4C hair that has no curl definition at the top, so I like to do the flat twist, and it's also a great way to keep your ends protected. Now moving on to the clip-ins, I just love clip-ins because they're so easy to do. You just pretty much clip them on. You can map them out before you lay them down, or you can just do like I'm doing, and I'm just going in and finding the piece that fits that area best. Now this hair is 100% premium fiber, so it is not human hair, but it looks just like human hair, and it also feels nice and soft like human hair, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now Now when I got to the top, I noticed that I needed another piece, so I was able to just snap off that back piece and add it to the top. Now for the 2-inch welts, instead of clipping them back, I'm going to clip them forward. Then flip the hair back, fluff, and add bobby pins where needed. Frame my face with some of the curls, and this is the completed look, guys. I am loving these clip-ins. They look so natural. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. So pretty, and it has so much body and bounce, and just beautiful. Like this video, and also comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more styles with these clip-ins. Make sure you are subscribed as well, and also turn on your post notification bell. I'm J Marie, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.